Are we still in a bear market? And does continually checking our portfolios, checking the news, seeing what kind of events are out there that might trigger the price, does that matter in the grand scheme of things? Does that matter with a long-term outlook? Does the noise of this market force, does it even matter in the long term? In 10 years' time, if you hodled when you look back, will you remember all those times you checked your portfolio? Will you remember all those times that you looked for the latest signal to make a buy? Will you remember all those times you were checking Cointelegraph or checking other kind of news outlets to see what was going on? Does it actually even matter? What else could we be doing with that energy that we consume constantly, checking things, constantly seeing what's happening with the market to position ourselves for reactionary behavior? Philosophical, I know, but I'm asking myself those same questions as I'm asking you. Some benefits of this bear market have been truly phenomenal for me from a business perspective and for everyone who's really in this industry building things and laying foundations. And I can tell you that from experience. In the last few months, I have met more people, I have talked to more people in this industry, I have had other discussions with these people in this industry more than any other time since my nearly 2 years in this space now, over 18 months. My own businesses, my media business and my consulting company have had so much attention and so much detail and work put into them, getting ready for the next bull run. Because here's the thing about the industry, when the prices rally, so does the interest. So everyone is preparing for that next time that's going to happen. And when that is, we don't know. But what I can tell you is this bear market has been so beneficial from an infrastructure perspective, from a partnership and network perspective, from a laying of foundations perspective for everyone in this industry. It's been truly, truly astonishing, and I'm grateful to have been a part of that. So what about some benefits for us? Well, here at Cryptocurrency Australia Media, we've now got a team of 5 people. We've got 3 here in Australia, we've got a couple overseas, and we've been working really, really hard in the background to bring you some incredible content that's coming. We've been working really hard on a brand new series. It's going to probably be a 5 or 7 part series, all following a particular theme, and the first debut episode is going to be released next week on Wednesday. It's going to be very educational focused, but it's also very much focused on helping you get a grasp on some incredible opportunities with certain cryptocurrencies in the years to come. So I'm very, very excited about that. We've been working very hard. It's going to come with a blog and a video. So rather than focusing on news content, we've dialed back and we're putting all of our energy into educational content, which is what I really enjoy doing. I love helping others. I love educating others on things that I have learned and seen benefits in. So we're very, very excited about that. What are some other things going on? Well, this is just a bit of a side note based on my own cryptocurrencies that I'm invested into and that I'm passionate about. But Lisk has migrated to the mainnet. That's been very exciting seeing that happen. It's been very exciting seeing the progress they've made. Been keeping eyes on that. You know, this ecosystem is so new that you kind of get to invent your own qualitative ways on how you assess a particular cryptocurrency, and Lisk for me just ticks so many boxes. It's just such an incredible project, an incredible team, and I can't wait to see what they can do in the future. So what else is going on? Well, to give you an update on the merchandise, a few people have been asking me about this, to give you a bit of a history and a story as to what's actually been going on. We actually ordered a bunch of these. We found a supplier. We're getting ready to start selling them, which is going to be a great support actually for us here at the channel, for our team, actually having these that we can sell if people want to buy them. So we bought a heap of them, we tested them, and we were so happy with them. But then what we found out was there's actually integrations out there. There's e-commerce integrations that allow to be integrated directly into your website, and these will essentially allow warehouses to receive orders when they come through. They will print the shirts and they'll distribute them straight to the person who purchased them. So rather than us having to provide upfront capital to buy a heap of this merchandise, to spend all the time packaging them and sending them off, this is fully automated. And so we're in the process of doing that at the moment. It's been pretty complicated, actually. We've had some issues with the integration. We've got developers looking at that at the moment. So that's the update, guys, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it's not too far away, and I can't wait to share that with you. So what else is going on? Well, I'm heading to Sydney next week for a conference. It runs for 3 days. It's called the Crypto ICO and Investment Summit. And I'm holding an all-day workshop there on blockchain technology and cryptocurrency investment for beginners. That's the topic of the discussion. It's an all-day workshop. I've never done an all-day workshop before, so it's going to be interesting. I've got 150 slides prepared. Very excited for that, to share all the knowledge that I've gained during my own investment journey, during my consulting journey with my blockchain consultancy, during my media journey. I've been privileged to have experienced a number of areas in this industry, and that's given me a really good rounded overview on everything. So I'm very, very excited to share that. But the biggest news, and what I'm most excited to share about, is our new series that is debuting next Wednesday. Each episode will be released around about the same time each Wednesday, and will run for about 5 to 7 weeks. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm a bit nervous with anticipation, hoping that people enjoy it because of how much work has gone into it, but we'll just have to see. So guys, that's a little bit of an update. Thanks for tuning in if you watched it through. My name's Bo. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch you in the next video, which will be next Wednesday. Cheers, guys.